So once again, the Property Brothers back, working on yet another closet storage design for my wife. But I will say this one was my idea.
You've been missed. You've been missed.
So, yeah,
okay.
Well, I'm back. We've done a lot of these storage closet designs with you guys, but I've never really shown, I don't think we've shown a lot of us putting it together.
Right.
I think when we originally did your closet room, we showed that, but that was like 4 or 5 years ago. So I'm gonna quickly put together, this is a Kallax unit, which I've talked about in multiple videos.
Where is this from?
IKEA, so IKEA Kallax. IKEA needs to sponsor, at this point, IKEA should be sponsoring that. So if anybody out there from IKEA is listening, we're here. We're waiting for it. A couple of quick tips, and again, I've given you guys a bunch of IKEA tips. Kallax is pretty simple. You really only need a couple of tools. Now they give you this hex wrench with the
right
kit,
here.
right? So they give you this.
And this is called a hex
I think
wrench?
it's called a hex wrench because it's got the hex.
Okay.
So it goes in the screw like that. Right?
Okay.
But I am going to use a drill with the hex bolt.
Oh, cool.
So it'll be a lot faster. Normally I would use a screwdriver. I don't like to use drills a lot for screwing in screws in the furniture, but this is a pretty big screw and you need a lot of torque to get it in there. Anytime you're putting together furniture that is like, it's not real wood, it's basically this mushed up wood glue, paper and pulp mixture.
Yeah.
You know, in the instructions, it'll tell you to use a hammer. I'm a big fan of using a mallet, a rubber mallet instead, and here's why. If you use a metal hammer and you miss, you will hit one of these edges and you will dent this, because this is not, this is all mushed up. So you can be hammering, and if you miss it with a metal hammer, you'll hit the corner and this will bend and chip.
Yeah.
If you use a mallet, it's a lot safer. So use a rubber mallet, or if you're using a hammer, you might want to cover it with a towel.
And that mallet looks like it has seen better days.
This mallet is older than Chase. This mallet, we got this in our first house.
Okay.
When I did a retaining wall that you about killed me.
Whatever.
Yeah. All right,
so why are we in the master bathroom doing this? Why are we in here?
The closet is right behind you, and that's where we will be moving all this stuff into. And it's, another thing when you're putting together IKEA furniture, you want a big open, as big as possible.
Right, and so I don't know if Eric said this, but this is my winter closet.
And your chick cave.
And my chick cave that he is currently working on. If I remember, I'll leave the link to the video he did for my, what do I call that? My beauty closet, my closet room. Okay, that's where I have my makeup and stuff like that. So I'll leave the link for that video below for those of you who are new to the channel. And if you are new to the channel, Eric, what do you want to say?
Welcome. Thanks for subscribing.
Yeah.
One more quick tip. For IKEA furniture that is bracketed into the wall, so these holes are for the wall brackets. For your tall furniture that you don't want to tip over on your kids or your pets, make sure when I flip this up, I want to make sure the bracket holes are on the same side. You don't want to be on opposite sides. So you want to just make sure that the bracket holes are on the same side. Property Brother is back. All right, this is going to be Property Brother Light.
Okay.
We're not going to do a whole Property Brother thing because at this point, if you watch our channel, you know I've done a lot of these closets, storage room, crafts room, makeovers with IKEA and various other, you know, pieces of furniture. So what we wanted to do in this space, it was a good space before. You had a lot of shoe racks with kind of your winter shoes and boots, but we felt like it wasn't matching the rest of the house of what we had done.
We have to say too, guys, or babe, that this was your idea. I didn't really
100%.
see a need for it.
100%. Yeah, because after I did the other, and if you guys haven't seen the other closet room video where we made over her closet, watch that one. We actually did a couple of videos. But when I saw how great that one turned out, I'm like, this one, we can do better.
So where are we for the new subscribers? And hi, guys.
So this is our master bedroom closet. So for the new subscribers, we turned one of the bedrooms into a closet room for you. And we did all that with IKEA. And that one we used brown.
Yeah. It's
IKEA.
called Espresso.
Yeah.
Espresso.
For a deeper, richer look. So that whole room, which is a bedroom, is your main closet room. Now we're in our master bedroom closet, which is off the bathroom, and it's divided into his and her side. And I'll show you my side in a minute.
Okay, so right now you're over on the hers.
So right now this is the her side. This is your chick cave. So right here, this is where you actually edit a lot of your videos and do a lot of your production work. A lot of your equipment and stuff is here. And then to my left is what we call your winter closet. This is where you keep a lot of your coats and winter shoes and boots. And if you saw it before, we had a lot of shoe racks. So let's come around the corner.
Let's give a little tour. Not easy.
So this is real simple, guys. And this is something anybody can do. We've talked about different price points for closets. This is a lower price point, but you can see it. The result is spectacular.
Yeah, I love it, guys.
Yeah. We got basically 1, 2, 3 Kallax units. These are really good for storing shoes.
And Kallax, for those of you who do not know, can be purchased
at IKEA.
IKEA.
But if you watch our channel, you also know that Walmart and Target sell their versions of this same design. We kept, this was built in, this came with the house. We kept this upper shelf. These fabric bins are also from IKEA. So we got these bins are from IKEA. We got your shoes in here, some accessories up here. We've also got a Kallax turned over on its side down here.
Yeah.
Did you talk about the chair? Did you do a video?
Oh my gosh, yeah. So those of you who were with me when I went shopping at HOMEGOODS and you said, Chan, I think you picked the chair. It's a no-brainer for that price. You were correct. I picked the chair.
And where'd you get a lot of this other, like these pineapples?
Yeah, they were with me. HOMEGOODS is where I got everything.
Okay. Now, one thing that's a little bit different, and because I think you see a lot of people with this design, a lot of people use this in their closets, but we needed something for your long boots.
Yeah.
So this is just a bookcase from Target. I actually got it on sale. You had the idea to put the mirror.
Move over to your left.
To make it look.
Your other left.
That's mine. To make it look more closet. So this
yeah,
is
so
just
babe, point to the mirror.
Mirror?
Yeah, that's the mirror. I thought the mirror would make it look so chic to sit it inside of the unit itself. And I just love the way it turned out. And as Eric said, he chose the bookshelf to go right here as opposed to another Kallax. Babe, if you could pick up one pair of my longer boots there.
Yeah, because this won't fit. Right, this won't fit easily inside one of these.
And originally I had some like longer boot forms that were supposedly made to keep the boots standing up, but it just never worked out. So I love just being able to lay the longer boots down inside the shelf.
And notice, guys, you can use this. Again, this rack was built in, so we're still hanging a lot of your winter coats and jackets and blazers. So you can use this with, you know, a lot of what comes with your house. You don't necessarily have to take these down and throw out the baby with the bathwater. Yeah.
Thank you, babe, so much for doing this for me. I just love it. Eric, you want to tell them about this chair? We got a new chair in here too.
This was from, did we do the Staples or Amazon?
I think we did Amazon on this.
This was
I love it. I love how it works with the other colors here.
Did you show the pillows reversible?
No, I did not.
So if you guys are subscribed, you know we are forever Disney fans. So you switch this depending on your mood, right? So what's nice about it too, it's got the gold, but it's also got the white.
I love it, guys.
So it's
and
reversible.
we picked these up at Target.
Yeah.
Yeah. So do you love how we did the mixed metals in here, guys? So we did a combination of the gold and the silver here.
Which is also how we did our living room.
Yeah, and I just love how everything has just come together. Really simple. I love it. I love it. I love it. And so, guys, if we come over this way, where are we?
So as we were redoing your sides, you know, my side was pretty good, but I wanted to spruce up my side.
Yeah, Eric, you know, he kind of got the short end of the stick. We house the luggage over here. Have those bins also.
From IKEA.
Yeah.
My flip-flops and swim shoes and my watch collection, shoes. And then I spruced up my man cave. Well, this isn't my man cave, but my closet with some...
Play hard or go home. I love this little barber picture.
Yep.
I love that.
This is the barber chair you cut
that's
our
the barber
hair
chair. For those of you who are, again, new to the channel, I actually cut Eric's and Chase's hair. Eric there with that fresh dew.
My colognes and the wood watch. A lot of you were asking me about what brand this is. This is Woody Specs.
Okay.
So nice wood watch.
I like that.
Keep my other watches and rings in here. Sunglasses at the bottom. So yeah, this